Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am working on my Inktober. I would say week 5, but there's not really 5 weeks in October, so the last few days of Inktober. I got to the end and I realized I was off because of this one. This one, I was thinking I was on Botanical, which was the end of last week's. I am doing these a few days in advance so that I can have them done by the end of October. I'm going to be out of town. So as you're watching this, I will not be around. But I still want to hear your comments if you liked this series or not, or what you would do with these things. So I thought I was on Botanical. I couldn't think of anything Botanical because I'd already done the leaves. I don't know why that didn't dawn on me. So I did butterflies. So day 28 got 2. And so this one is day 29 and the prompt was wood. And I thought I had a stick line around here because I do stuff with sticks, But apparently I did not. But this is a wooden snowflake that I got from Michael's a long time ago. I think you're supposed to decorate those and make them ornaments, but I always use them on my gel plate around Christmas time. I'm not trying to make this one Christmassy, just trying to ink it up and just make it be some sort of pattern. But it does kind of give you the snowflake vibes. But it's made out of wood, so it fits the prompt. There it is. And I think that was sepia. I tried using it again. I was curious. Alright, and so the next one was, the prompt was on black. Well, I didn't want to just go find some black to do something on. So I decided I would just pull out my black because I hadn't done anything black. So this is actually Sumi ink. And I'm just stamping it with some circles so we have black. And I do like the circle pattern. I really like the circle pattern. I don't know why, but it just makes great collage, I think. Oh man, I was moving slow on that one. So I had all my rice paper pre-cut and come to the end, to the last one, and I'm like, where's my rice paper? I'm out? How can I be out? See butterflies at the beginning. So I hurried and cut myself another piece of rice paper, and I did this one. And the prompt was favorite. I wouldn't say this is my favorite. It's my favorite way to make splatters. Okay, I'm not as skilled with the brush technique in making splatters, but there it is. Alright, so I have this kind of grungy gel plate, and we're going to pull it all off, but I want to put a focal point on there, and so I have this stencil from iStencils, I believe. I think it's a Donna Dewberry. It was in my package that says Donna Dewberry, so I'm hoping that's correct. I think I tried to keep them all by Maker. And I just grabbed some regular acrylic craft paint in a bright orange to contrast and hopefully show up with all that grunge that's already on the plate. Looks good on this side. The other side will be a little bit more faded. I'm letting that dry. I did a few other marks on there too. And so while I'm letting that dry, I'm just showing you my pages. And then my cleanup papers. If you haven't seen the other videos, there'll be a playlist below, hopefully, so you can see all the other ones that were created. Maybe more explanation. So my blue blobs were still wet, so I blotted them, and so now they're not perfect circles, but I was impatient. I didn't want to wait any longer because I knew I was going to brayer this, put the paper down, and wait again. So I just wanted to get on with it. So I'm just making a thin, and this is a heavier body paint. I think it's called parchment. I'm just going to put it on there, and I'm just going to let it sit there until it feels dry. So I did do this with rice paper, so you could tell it was damp. So I waited till it was dry, and now I'm rubbing it one more time just to make sure the edges come up. And here we go. Big reveal. Isn't that cool? I thought that was cool. I do take a Stabilo around the edge so the butterfly stands out more. But here are all my papers. Isn't that fun and colorful? And then I have the butterfly at the end. I hope you liked this and this little series. Inktober was a lot of fun. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.